In this video, we will look at some of the best electric screwdriver on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5, UFTool 62-in-1 Electric Screwdriver Set. UFTool 62-in-1 Electric Screwdriver Set is an impressive addition to any toolkit, particularly for those engaged in precision work like phone and watch repair. This portable power tool kit combines versatility with efficiency, ensuring you have the right tool for intricate tasks. Powerful magnetic motor. The screwdriver boasts a strong magnetic motor capable of reaching speeds up to 200 revolutions per minute. This high speed, combined with an all-metal gearbox, ensures that the concentricity of the bits remains below 0.2 mm during rotation, significantly enhancing finishing efficiency. Compact and durable design. Despite its small size, the screwdriver is equipped with a built-in rechargeable lithium battery that offers a long service life. On a full charge, it can handle over 400 precision screws, making it highly reliable for extended use. The integrated aluminum alloy shell, treated with an anodized aluminum alloy process, provides a non-slip, sweat-resistant, and rust-resistant exterior. Enhanced safety and lighting. Safety is a top priority with this tool, featuring 13 battery safety tests and 3 charging protection mechanisms. Number 4, Jawy 20+1 Torque Brushless Electric Screwdriver. The Jawy 20+1 Torque Brushless Electric Screwdriver stands out as a top choice for both home DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This cordless electric drill, designed for use with Makita 18-volt batteries, combines power, efficiency, and convenience in one versatile tool. Brushless motor technology. The Jawy electric screwdriver features advanced brushless motor technology, offering enhanced performance and durability compared to traditional brush motors. This results in higher efficiency, longer battery life, and reduced maintenance needs. High torque and speed. With a maximum torque of 280 Nm and a no-load speed of 4,000 revolutions per minute, this tool is capable of handling a wide range of tasks with ease. Whether you're driving screws into wood, metal, or plastic, the Jawy screwdriver delivers consistent power and speed. Versatile and customizable. This tool is highly versatile, featuring 20+1 torque settings that allow for precise control over the amount of force applied. This makes it ideal for various applications, from delicate tasks to more demanding projects. Number 3, Upen Works for Volts Electrical Screwdriver Sets. The Upen Works for Volts Electrical Screwdriver Sets, specifically the WX24D model, is a versatile and convenient tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts. This smart cordless electric screwdriver set includes 30 bits and features a USB rechargeable handle, making it a practical addition to any toolkit. Smart cordless design. The Upen Works for Volts screwdriver set is designed for ease of use and portability. Its cordless design, powered by a DC source, allows you to move freely without being tethered by cords. This makes it ideal for various DIY projects around the home. USB rechargeable handle. One of the standout features of this screwdriver set is its USB rechargeable handle. This feature ensures that you can easily charge the tool using a standard USB cable, providing convenience and flexibility. Number 2, Works WX242 for Volts Electrical Screwdriver Set. The Works WX242 for Volts Electrical Screwdriver Set is a smart, cordless electric screwdriver that combines convenience and power in a compact design. Ideal for home DIY enthusiasts, this mini drill power tool offers a USB rechargeable feature and a comprehensive 30-bit set, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. Brushless motor technology. The WX24D model is equipped with a brushless motor, which provides superior performance and durability compared to traditional brush motors. This results in higher efficiency, longer battery life, and reduced maintenance, making it a reliable tool for various tasks. High torque capability. With a maximum torque of 8 Nm, the Works WX24D can handle a variety of applications with ease. Number 1, Xiaomi Mijia Electrical Precision Screwdriver Kit. The Xiaomi Mijia Electrical Precision Screwdriver Kit is a meticulously designed tool perfect for anyone involved in electronics or small household appliance repair. This kit stands out due to its innovative design, high precision, and ease of use. Pressing magazine-type magnetic absorption storage. The kit features a pressing magazine-type magnetic absorption storage system, which allows for easy access to the bits. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.